Do you want to know how to milk these nuts? Or these nuts? You can milk so many kinds of nuts. All you have to do is soak your nuts in water overnight. Once they're properly soaked, peel the skin back if there's any. You can even pinch them out or pop one into your friend's mouth for fun. Then add water to a blender. Once you've added 4 cups of water, add 1 cup of your favorite soaked nuts. Turn on the blender to the highest setting to really pulverize those nuts. Once you've given those nuts a proper beating, pour the mixture into a nut milk bag. If you're using cashew nuts, you won't have to bag it, and the milk will come out creamier. Lots of milk will come out, so you can squeeze the extra into the bowl. Or into your mouth. Once you've finished squeezing your milk out, share your milk with a friend.